the Tea Family Cooking Show. Today, I want to show you how to make pandan bread buns. If you have never tried it, then you should because they smell so good and taste delicious. Okay, I got some pandan leaves here. I'll cut them into small pieces. Then put them into the blender together with some warm milk and blend them until smooth. Then set aside. In my mixing bowl, I will add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoon of active yeast, 4 teaspoons of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of melted butter or margarine. Then pour in the pandan and milk mixture and blend them all together. If your dough is too dry, you can add more milk, but just add 1 tablespoon at a time, so you can adjust the amount. We want the dough to be slightly wet and sticky. Knead a bit on the wok surface for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the dough is smooth. Then put the dough back into the bowl and prove it for about an hour or until it's double in size. Just keep it somewhere warm and moist so the yeast will activate quickly. I usually keep my bowl in the microwave. Punch the dough and let the air out of the dough. Then divide the dough into 8 pieces. You can use weight scale to get the equal pieces. Put them on the baking tray, cover with a thin kitchen towel and let it proof again for 30 minutes. I'll do the egg version on my buns. Then sprinkle some white sesame seeds on them and bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. We got it, guys! Have a look! They're so soft and smell so good too. Hope you like this recipe and try it yourself at home. That's it for today. I'll be back with more recipes later. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Take care, guys! Stay safe! Bye!